Well, guys, today's vlog start inside from my house. So right now here, and I had the call from Kungat mom. So we need to rush up and we see what is going on. Before that, guys, today I feel like I wanna take my bicycle outside, but it doesn't have sharp brake. But I will try to put some pressure up, and then, guys, I missed my bicycle a lot, guys. So it's just outside here, and I thank God for the gift of life, man. I thank God for everything. So we just over here, and I'm shooting these videos on Sunday, and I wish you happy Sunday, guys. So this is my mountain bike, but man, in Kenya here we didn't find those brakes, but maybe we make the order from abroad, man. So just over here, and the reason why being the rubber of inside here, when you see the green one, so it's already finished up, but the disc it's okay, and this stuff is okay, but the main issue was this stuff here. Likewise for the front brake, even the disc it's okay. You can tell in the comment section, and this stuff is okay, but the rubbers we finish up. And man, I missed my bicycle or my mountain bike a lot, guys. You can see and tell in the comment section, guys. Look, but direct to the point, I'm going to check guys, my project. So this is how my homes looks like, guys, and it's a nice house. So let's see outside. And man, I feel like I'm nothing today, but I thank God. I'm thank God for this far. I thank God because I finished building the toilet in terms of bricks and blocks, so it remain with roofing, guys. And this is how my homes looks like. And all the time I park my motorbike over here, so you can see and tell in the comment section. It's just over here, and oh man, so and maybe, guys, if you want to visit me maybe in the future on a create here like a gazebo, small gazebo, we sit here chilling, making stories. But direct to the point, man, I want to say thank you a million. May God bless you for those who are watching my videos. And in case you're the first time watching this vlog for today, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. You know, just be honest, be patient, and things run smooth, guys. At the far end, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you look before I reach there? Hey. But yesterday, guys, I shown you a little bit when he started joining the bricks up and up, but I maybe finishing, I didn't came, maybe came late. So but they finish up, so he finished up, and I remain with the foundation for the perimeter wall, guys. So that being said, this is the washroom. You can see the first door, and my mom have already curing water early in the morning, so I was assisting her, but I didn't manage to cure to vlog while curing because my battery of my camera goes down. So guys, tell in the comment section, we finish, and we're remaining with roofing, man, but it's good. And I think my family, they wanna enjoy, at least right now, instead maybe hiding in the bush. You know, we use one, like for example, we have recently toilet over there other side. We use like this one, for example. It has only one hole, and we have like 20 people, or more than, let me say like 15 people on this family. So at one hole, how can you manage? When you go to knock, people are inside. Washroom is one door. When you go to take shower, just like arranging some, we arrange like lines, want to take shower. But for now, things goes right. So this is the washroom, and actually it's my first washroom, and it's mine. So our our garden reach here. So this is the boundary, you can see. So this is the boundary, but I'm lucky enough, between our boundary I build a toilet here. Maybe in the future, when I want to maybe to build a perimeter, it can run from that point coming that way, passing here, and then I carve or I join with the toilet, and then the rest will go down. But it's okay. And this is my first washroom, and it's mine, guys. This is the second, which is toilet, you can see. But we have some mark here, guys. Don't forget, there's a mark here you had, and this is the chimney pipe taking the air outside. So the mason are very, very professional. We carve and then we can't see, but this line here, it's pipe. Even you can see here a little bit, you see. So during plastering you can't see anymore. All right, guys, so we have a lot of work to do on my project, like roofing, fixing some doors, tiling inside, putting sinker for the toilet, and actually it's 1 2, so it needs 2 sinkers. And I ask on my previous videos, when I'm going to look for the mason to set the first blocks, I was asking at the hardware for the owner the sinkers. So once goes to 16,000 Kenyan money. That's one. And when maybe convert into Kenyans, maybe into US, I think, man, it's almost 130 USD, if I'm not wrong. So this is my mom's toilet. Imagine, my first washroom, second toilet, and then we came to my mom. This is the toilet for my mom, guys. This one here, and then other side, this is the washroom. We have even a mark here, guys. You see, this is the mark. So we put here a pipe, we connect the pipe, and then those things like cylinder, and then when you take shower, it run going down up end, and then inside the toilet. So guys, by God's grace, man, I want to put roofing earlier because I want to prevent the damages of the blocks, maybe these lines here. So I want to put earlier. So tomorrow morning I'll make clean here, and oh man, so you can see. And take the look, man. This toilet is so big, so big. Oh damn, I can't complain. And on plastering, yesterday the mason left some information, and I get this information direct from my mom. He told my mom when maybe inside and outside plastering, it require 13 bags of cement. So this is the outside. You can see the ventilation. Man, we had a lot of work to do on this project. So here, first ventilation, second ventilation, you can see, third ventilation, fourth one going up down. So guys, tell in the comment section, how did you prefer? I plaster outside, so because I want to plaster, you see the purpose of the blocks over here, I want to plaster it earlier. So if it's possible, they wanna start from outside, sure, because inside is okay. They wanna start from outside because you know, like bricks, it's very powerful. So we start from outside, and I'll be plastering everything. Yeah, because we have too much of the rain here. Alright guys, that is it. And this is the veranda. So he created yesterday, and actually at the middle here we have a support. Between a distance from here up to there, it's a distance from here up to here. And then guys, stay tuned. That is my project, and I left for now. So because I had some call from Congrat mom, and I need to rush up, guys. Right, so by God's grace, tomorrow is on Monday. We start roofing, and then it goes to the process of plastering. And actually I think they wanna start outside plastering and then coming inside, because I want to prevent the outside one, because right now is the month of August. We have a lot of rain, and 100% the farmers went to the farm planting some commodities like maize, beans, sorghum, all leguminous plant, cereals plant, and all stuff, man. So on and so on. So right now, guys, I'm heading to Coconut Mom. Stay tuned. And actually, I'm going to wear the jacket because it's cold over here. So stay tuned, guys. Asijachagua, yeye achague.
Unataka tuongee Kiingereza?
Wewe ongea hata Kiswahili ina shida.
We have said that this one
English raza.
English. This one 300, but we will sell you to 50. This one. This is trap. Sawa?
Ongea na mama.
Mama. 200 is not available. 200 is not available. 300.
So guys, we just over here purchasing some fish, guys. Have according to the price.
What? 600. Okay, I will make it 500. This one. Kenya man. This one. 4.
Sikilize huyu Kiswahili chake.
Mimi nataka nipunguzie nichukue samaki.
Ngapi sasa? Nataka ngapi? So I say thanks and welcome again.
So they're removing those scales.
Toa ngozi, toa scales hizo vizuri.
Na unatoa utumbo.
Hakuna shida, natoa. Nimalize, natoa.
Everything.
Natoa.
Gay.
Sasa nikuweka hata Marekani na shida.
Marekani tushaingia muda mrefu sana, sio leo. Every day we are there.
Speaking English, come here and get your money.
Okay.
What is that?
That is
Okay, give me change.
increase more.
Increase more water.
500.
Yeah.
Increase more. Increase more.
500 ya nini?
Increase more.
Add more.
Hey, you say add, not increase.
Add more.
No, turudishe change bwana.
But that's change. Now you give me the change.
Kana increase moja kwa nini?
Si nani hapo nani bana.
Kwa hiyo samaki ni shilingi ngapi?
1500.
5 samaki ngapi pia?
Samaki 5.
Sasa hiyo ni shilingi ngapi?
Si 25.
25.
Bado 15.
Samaki mbili.
Samaki 2,010. Tena 2,010. Moja 5,000.
Yes.
Oh, samaki ni nenda na 20,000.
20.
So I add you for Kenyan 200.
Okay. It will be good.
Kenyan now. Let me add for.
It will be good.
Okay.
So guys, it's time to go. And, just see the price of the fish here, almost 3 USD.
Tengenezee.
Here 8 USD according to the price.
Sisi hapa.
Pieces. Yes, and over there there's Congrats Mom. So we are in Tanzania here, guys. So we came to make some shopping, and most of food stuff are very affordable, as you can afford. So we cut into pieces. So guys, we just over here purchasing tomatoes. Where is? Oh guys, so I want to take my motorbike, and I just over here, so it's time to leave. So okay, on that save. Save.
You have saved. Put here.
Yani karoto. So we went to the we call him rice store. It's expensive. Wow. Hey, that's congrats.
So guys, we've just bought a few things here. We are now moving home. Okay, let's move.
Imagine we cross in Tanzania without a passport. So because simply because it's our neighboring country here. So let's go. So guys, this is Tanzania, and we're heading to the store of the rice, and finally we go back home, guys. So this is how Tanzania looks like. Yes, congrats, mom, guys. Woo.
Yes, guys, we are from the market and we are heading home.
Wow. Yes, guys. So look at the beauty of Tanzania, man. And we have a nice Serengeti Towers, tall building over here. Over here. Hey. Custom of Tanzania, and we're just over here entering on this store. Yeah. Kiroba aponga today. Amwingine viatu so must remove some things. Kiroba iko wapi ndio kiroba? Hai. So guys, I'm showing some machine. Hey. Abai. Hii ndio machine. Hii ni sekete. Beba kiroba, mwenye kiroba kwa. And the other side is the machine over here. Leta simu go.
Nigango hebu ndumie wa yellow au
chukua grade 1, chukua yellow hata iko. Chukua yellow mama, acha nikuchagua. Bona nkuhekore, chukua yellow. Kama hii. Acha chukua yellow. Hii ni moja. Nani ameleta hii hapa?
The yellow is at the rice. We have number 1 and number 2. Then you
Come
can
this
see
side.
the store. They are so welcoming. I thank them so much. You can see this one here. Wow, it's wonderful. So this is the best.
What's the weight?
You know we are at
10 kg.
I can see.
Oh guys, so we just arrived here. So we came from Tanzania, making shopping 1, 2, 3, and today guys, I wish you happy Sunday. When you came from the church, just chill, watch my video until the end. Oh man, I need to close the gate. Wow. So let me check the outside, man. So it's chilling Sunday. You can hear no making of the noise, maybe booming of the music, but in fact in our village here we have what we call, guys, just a minute, in our village here, oh, there's something. Okay guys, sorry for that. In our village here, no movement of the vehicles, loud music. It's a chilling village, guys. So the only thing that you do here is to breathe the free oxygen and free air, all stuff. Oh man, so I want to enter inside here and to show you what is happening. Oh man, I see Steve from there. They're holding some tiles. Oh damn. Wow guys. Hey, mura kidogo. Yes guys, I'm telling Steve to stop, and I want to ask kidogo, ask him some few questions. Is it unapeleka wapi? Zagitiriva. Oh, yesterday I was watching the videos. Oh, za Valanda. Oh, the staircase. Gitiriva kwa board.
Boda. Liana na sasa sifika manzao.
Okay. So unarudia zingine kufuata? Yes guys. Okay, I'm asking him, did you go back to pick another one? He said no. Okay. Nitakuja basi. Si hapo tutumie neutral.
Nataka nitoe gari teremke.
Nataka kufanya nywele.
Eh?
Okay, nikusukume. These are tiles, guys. Hey, pole pole. Eh.
Hello.
Yes. Hiya, guys. Guys. So this is a cassava we dried and then we make brown ugali, guys, and I think this is a millet. Yeah, guys, this is a millet and Go. Ravirekirana Rosio. You had that language. Yes, so today's videos we want to teach to Rosio how to cook brown ugali, and it's African ugali. What's up? So this is the cassava. We dried them in locally way, and then we take the portion meal, we grind it, and finally we have the flour, guys. And actually it's a brown ugali, so we cook with fish and all stuff. So actually we train Rosa to cook outside by using firewood over here. So over here, well, guys, I'm gonna worry go say can I mean damn hotel camera cover hori cover here camera. Yes, guys, so they're washing some pan for fried fish. So I want to talk to Rosie how to fry some fish and all stuff. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, the fire, and I want to put this for cooking fish. Yeah. And then so I'm placing this on top. Let me turn it back. Yeah. Like this. And then, excuse guys, so we want to cook fish over here. The Rocio, we taught how to cook fish and brown ugali.
Some oil
Yes.
for frying this. This is the
Congrats, add
traditional
more
way.
because we have many fish.
But that's enough. Oh.
When it's boiled, it can reduce. Yeah, you add more. I think it's enough. Yes. Then I'll turn it.
Yes, so guys, that is, don't put too much.
Yes, I don't want to put too much.
This thing is small. They have decided to use a small one. Okay. So.
You fear the smoke?
No, I don't fear, but it comes to me
Yes.
and the ice.
Okay.
When the ice, like even. Okay, I came here to cook more, and but now we will cook for Ugali inside. I think so, or maybe outside.
Ugali. You cook here?
We cook here.
Yes, because the brown one
Yeah.
need a lot of firewood.
Okay.
Yes.
So we will cook here. Brown Ugali. We
Yes.
doing brown?
Guys, I want to take this outside. Okay? Oh, yeah.
I fear what? A bit. Let me get hold of it properly. Now I'm using the left hand. I help you? No. You see? Yes. So guys, this one is done. Yes. I'm draining the oil. You see? Wow, there we are. We leave it for some time or it's ready?
Yeah, bye.
It's ready.
It's ready.
That's how the magic is done. Understand the importance. Once if you don't know how to drive, you are really in a problem. Start. Do you mind saying to start? Because now nobody's ready to take her to listen. They are telling her, take a break is there and you go.
Yeah.
She says, I don't know how to. You want to show?
No, I'm good. Because I'm feeling your
So guys, I do come to fetch firewood over here, and we have plenty of them. And actually, I'm looking for the dried one. And yesterday you have a lot of rain, so we look like this one here. You see, like like this one, and then we do like this. This one. Oh. Alright. So I came to collect fire here. Then we cook there. Some brown ugali, guys. Wow. Oh, wow, guys. So I need to collect the firewood over here, and I'll take the other side, guys. Ooh. Just a minute, guys. So I'll take the kitchen with the firewood over here, direct to the kitchen. Oh, I am so tired, guys. So crazy. Oh no. Then, oh guys, so at the same time, there's my motorbike over here. Hey, it's on sun, and at least let me put on the shade over there, guys. Oh, here, I think it's better. And guys, I want to open my ankle gate and take the car outside. Come serious. Yes. Well guys, so today is on Sunday. I wish you happy Sunday. So I need to open the gate. Yes. Wow. Oh guys. We open the gate like this, so it's open, and he was coming, guys. So I don't want to show you maybe number plate for the car, but when it's past here I will show you guys. And I wish you happy Sunday, guys. There's my uncle. Wow. So guys, I opened for him my gate, and because you know, like things like number plates for the vehicles, we don't like to show you. Maybe you don't like to show on cameras, but for me, I'll show you my motorbike on camera. Yes, and over here we chop some tomatoes over here, and this is my week. Cover the camera.
Coromere.
Yes guys, so guys, he didn't fear the camera, so we chop. And then kwani kuweka muri chinyani.
Yeah.
Yes guys, I'm asking her, did you cook some tomatoes or we eat direct? And at the same time, Rosa is there, experience how we cook food and fish in Africa, guys. These tomatoes, and we put aside. So we start chopping the onions, and actually, guys, it's bulb onions. Now, guys, it's tricky situation. So I bring some stick, I put here on other side, and then
Tricky, that one
tricky
is for-
situation.
Use this one here.
This one.
Okay.
Let me use this one. Hey.
Oil.
Yes. Yes. So we will do white ugali or brown ugali?
Brown.
Brown. Okay.
Oh, guys, so I'm taking the fish inside the house, and right off, we try to see how it's tested. Guys, and everything should be good and well, guys. So this is the cooked full fish, right? I put over here. So guys, at least you see the fish, and it's very cooked, well cooked. So I close. And guys, if you follow my videos from Tanzania up to here, you see the odd process, but the main key point, want to show how Rocio to cook brown ugali for the first time, and it's a good thing. So let's go outside and see, guys, what is going on. Hey, hey. Wow, guys, you see Simba is sleeping here, and actually it's pregnant, guys. Simba. Wow. Oh, let me take my jacket from the sun, because we have too much of the sun over here. So I want to take my jacket from here, maybe put on the motorbike, guys, because I wake up in the morning. You know, in our village here, I must wake up in the morning, so at least I put here. Wow. And today my motorbike, they wanna be washed. It's so dirty, guys, and it's helped me a lot. I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you. So, and I remember there was a time when Dimango, she was around here, we cooked here some Jamaican food like fish over here. We cooked them, and oh damn, I can't complain on that. Big shout out to Dimango, and I want to appreciate it. So let's see what is going on. And today's on Sunday, so we have some napier grass over here. So most of the time they wanna take some food here, but yeah, yes, Congress mom is calling me. But yesterday I bring some sweet potatoes veins here, and at a Molos Place, but I was working at my construction, and then yes, and then I give the neighbors to drop the sweet potatoes veins, guys.
Okay. We are filming for Hello Baby. Yeah. And this is the ugali. Brown ugali. This time.
Switch off the car. I want to cook it.
Okay.
They will say I've cheated them. I want to teach you. So,
Okay.
So guys, we just here with Rocio cooking, guys.
Hello guys.
Yes.
We are doing skuma wiki.
Sukuma wiki Mexico.
And we are ready to eat because the rest is
But USA called skuma wiki green collard, I think so. Collard green in US. People call skuma wiki green collard.
I don't know. I also know about kale.
Yes.
Kale. So you can also call it.
Okay. So we want to make soup. You know? Soup. If you know soup. Yeah, I want to make soup here. So I must put firewood inside here. And then I light the fire. Yeah. See, so use the matchstick and use this stuff here. So I want to put soup for the fried fish. Yeah. So I do like this, guys. That's how we light fire, guys. And then
in most African cultures we have this.
wow, guys, so we finished eating lunch, so it's time to go home and to see the activity that is running on my project, guys. Don't forget, this is my jacket here, And hey, the fish was so yummy, guys, so yummy. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Well, guys, so I reached home after taking the food from Congrats Mom. I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. And kind guys, I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you. So today it's on Sunday and I'm parking here my my motorbike or monkey jet. And monkey, wherever you are, bro, big shout out to you. Kind guys, go and show monkey some love. Subscribe to his channel. He is a nice guy. He was the one who promoted for me this second hand motorbike, but it helped me a lot. So guys, I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Very special. Just drop the sweet comment. Always positive vibes win. And I want to say, guys, bye bye.